be making vegan Rotel, you guys. So of course we're going to use Rotel. I got the super hot kind with the habaneros. Also, you're going to need your little crock pot. We already have one just for dip. And you're going to need your queso. I prefer the Kroger plant-based vegan queso style. You guys, you have to taste this. It is the best. It is the closest I've gotten. It tastes just like cheese to me. Then I'm going to use Trader Joe's meatless meatballs. This is my favorite ground beef like texture, you guys. I actually put the meatballs in the oven. Then I took them out and crumbled them up and cooked them on top of the stove, you guys. I love Trader Joe's meatless meatballs. And also, if you want to add poultry seasoning, you can do that as well. That will also make it taste really good. But I only really add poultry seasoning when I'm doing just queso without the Rotel. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as well. And hit the notification bell so you know when we upload our next YouTube video. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to add in a little bit of Rotel juice. Just a little bit, because remember, this is the hot and spicy kind, you guys. Okay, you guys, our dip is done. So now you just want to dip it and you want to taste it, you guys. And let me tell you, this tastes just like Rotel. No vegan detected.